All right, all. There's a few people in the group have asked about production. First and foremost, I'm going to put a disclaimer here. Like, I'm not a producer. It's not my thing. I've worked with plenty of fabulous producers and love them to pieces, but I can't speak to all of the nitpicky stuff when it comes to mixing and mastering. But if you are a producer and you have some really helpful tips, like please, there's people in this group that want that. Drop a comment with all of the trips and tips and all the wonderful stuff that you are finding helpful for you. But what I can speak to is someone had asked about, like, there was some saying that they could record a song in an hour and some asking how you do that. Now, I can speak from the point of being a singer-songwriter and how you could do that. And you're gonna need a team of people, is really what it comes down to. You're gonna need someone who's really pro at production, and so therefore they can help create quick songs. And you see this a lot too, because people can be like, really, can you really create a song in 24 hours? And I know plenty of people who have. I've done it, where you had to turn a song around in 24 to 48 hours. It is doable, and it is doable to do it and get a great product. It needs to be a team effort. And I think that's the huge part that comes into play, is you need to have a producer that understands how to turn things around. And I went off a little bit on that, and I meant to say that because in the sync world, when it comes to that, turnarounds are extremely quick. And that's where I've watched many artists that I know, and myself, that you have people around you that you build that understand how to do things in a quality way quickly. And that takes time. So that takes effort of kind of searching through, and it can be a matter of trial and error. Like, can people really do it? Because sometimes people say they can, and then they can't really do it. So I would say on that end is where you could kind of look and be like, okay, great. You know, who's in my atmosphere? Are there producers who do have quick turnaround? Do I like the quality? Are they in a genre that I do? And then for you, the other key thing that you can do for yourself is, because you can't, and you don't need to even be limited to have the producers in your area, right? That is not. Most of the quick turnarounds actually that I've done have been people remotely. So someone could hop on a Zoom and can have the production done, and or work through the production. And then what you'll need on your end though is you will need a good microphone and the knowledge and ability to record your vocals. And it's not crazy hard to do. It really isn't. You can just get what do I have for a microphone? A Rode. I have a microphone, Rode. People drop comments with the mics that you love, but I found that to be a good one. You're gonna need, and Sweetwater, I'm not affiliated. Guitar Center, not affiliated. You can go check out those sites there, and people there can help you too to find, like, whatever your budget is, a good microphone that can help you record your vocals. And you need you're gonna need a laptop. And GarageBand is typically, even though Logic is where a lot of people are like, you need to record Logic and like GarageBand is just so easy. I'll get to the point, maybe I'll do Logic, but it's just like, I understand it, so I kind of just roll with it. But that being said, yeah, you will need on your end, if you are not a producer and you're a singer-songwriter who is looking to do songs quickly in a quick turnaround, you're going to need a microphone, you're going to need a laptop, you're going to need an understanding of how to use GarageBand, and you'll need to understand how to export those files. But it's really not too crazy, and there's like so many YouTube videos on that, or even what really has helped me is the producers I've worked with have helped walk me through a lot of that stuff there. But that's really what it comes down to, is build a team. To those who are doing it, who do it all, you know, drop a comment what your process is there. But for me, it's build a team of people that you know can have quick turnarounds, have your own setup, and be ready to go.